Have you ever felt like your mind is full, but empty at the same time? Too many thoughts, too many worries, too much pressure. Life doesn't feel loud. It feels heavy, and no matter how much you rest, your mind never really shuts off. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you, because today I'm going to show you how to reset your mind when life feels overwhelming, not by escaping reality, but by learning how to calm the chaos within. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Your mind was never designed to handle everything at once. Notifications, deadlines, expectations, comparisons, unfinished thoughts. When too much enters your mind, without release, your nervous system stays in survival mode. That's why you feel tired, even when you haven't done much. That's why small problems feel huge. Overwhelm isn't weakness. It's a signal. Your mind is asking for space. The biggest mistake people make when they feel overwhelmed is trying to fix their entire life at once. They tell themselves, I need to change everything. I need to figure it all out. I need answers now. And that pressure creates even more stress. Instead, do this. Pause. Take one slow breath and remind yourself, I don't need to solve my whole life today. Clarity doesn't come from force. It comes from stillness. Before your thoughts can calm down, your body needs to feel safe. Try this simple reset. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale gently through your mouth for 6 seconds. Do this 3 times. This signals your nervous system that you are not in danger. Your heart rate slows. Your muscles relax. Your mind begins to soften. You're not escaping reality. You're grounding yourself in it. When life feels overwhelming, your world has become too big, too many what-ifs, too many future fears, too many past regrets. So shrink it. Ask yourself just one question. What is the next small thing I can handle? Not tomorrow, not next month, right now. Drink a glass of water. Clean one small space. Write one honest sentence. Small actions restore control, and control restores calm. Many people feel overwhelmed, not because of what's happening now, but because of what they're holding inside. Unspoken emotions, unexpressed pain, unfinished grief. You don't need to explain it to anyone. Just acknowledge it. Say quietly, This is hard. I'm allowed to feel this. I don't need to be strong all the time. The moment you stop fighting your feelings, they begin to loosen their grip. Notice how you speak to yourself when life feels heavy. Do you say, "I'm failing. I'm behind. I can't handle this"? Now, imagine saying those words to someone you love. You wouldn't, so change the voice. Say instead, "I'm doing the best I can. This phase will pass. I'm allowed to rest." Your thoughts shape your nervous system. Gentler thoughts create a calmer mind. If life feels overwhelming right now, listen carefully. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are not failing. You are human in a world that asks too much. Resetting your mind doesn't mean changing who you are. It means coming back to yourself. One breath, one moment, one calm decision at a time. And from that calm place, clarity returns. If this video helped you feel even a little lighter, please give it a like. Comment below. What overwhelms you the most right now? And share this video with someone who needs peace today. This is Inner Mastery, and you're not alone on this journey.